especially for small clients, they've got a product or there's something that, they see that they're building their business on. And in some respects, that patent application is more important than sort of, an evergreening type application that you might be filing for a bigger company. So there's more riding on that patent application. And the balance of costs is quite an interesting one because, as we all know, if a patent application's been drafted cheaply, there can be potential issues with that, difficulty getting things through prosecution and through to grant. And I mean, my sort of approach and my suggestion to people is to not skimp on the drafting because that's paramount, because getting a good draft that has to last for 20 years, especially in sort of bio and pharma, it has to be around because you're probably not going to get through clinical trials in that time. It has to be there and it has to do that job. And costs are saved later. So actually sort of putting the money behind a good draft, I think, is incredibly important.
I think we've all seen it, saving on the drafting costs nearly 9 times out of 10 is a false economy. The number of times then prosecution costs have doubled, tripled because you're arguing over points that were poorly drafted. Definitely.
And actually, also when it comes to opposition as well, at the point a patent's been granted, it's incredibly valuable, and companies spend a lot of money defending during EPO opposition procedures. And if you've got a good draft in the first place, it's a lot easier to defend that patent.